Hello, Quincy Mayor Tom Koch here with our COVID-19 update. A little bit more to the video today. To help us get through the surge we're expecting through the holidays, and I don't think it's any secret, we'll be expanding the city's testing capacity, and it's in a partnership with the Manet Community Health Center. Manet Community Health Center, headed by Cynthia Sierra, is a place in West Squantum St in North Quincy, and they started actually in Hough's Neck, and they've got places in Hull and Taunton. They've been a partner with the city throughout this whole crisis. In fact, well before this crisis, we've been great partners. So we want to thank Manet for always stepping up to the plate. So the new clinic will begin on Tuesday, December 29th from noon to 4, and it's going to be at 180 Old Colony Avenue, and that's the future site of the Decristofaro Learning Center that the city purchased, and will be transforming it into a new special needs facility for our youngsters. So it's a great location. We got plenty of room there. It's not far from the Wollaston T. It's on the bus line, just on the back of Hancock Street. So the testing is free. It doesn't require any information on insurance. It's open to any Quincy resident. The pre-registration is recommended, but it's not required. You can walk in. The registration number, though, is 774-406-5400. And this clinic is going to run every Tuesday, noon to 4, for the next 8 weeks. Again, we appreciate what Manet's doing. They're partnering with a laboratory at the Broad Institute, so the tests will be processed within 24 to 48 hours. The test is self-administered, although it will be supervised by a staff person from Manet. And essentially, it's the swab program. So hopefully some of the young people that maybe not be connected in the health network right now and have some questions or issues, if you need to be tested, this might be a good outlet for that. But obviously it's open to anybody. So it used to be the ENC owned, Eastern Nazarene College owned college site on Old Colony Ave that the city purchased, 180 Colony Ave, and the number will be up on the screen, the address will be up on the screen, so we certainly encourage you to do that. Now, today we also had, I'll get into the numbers in a minute, but the governor gave a kind of some new guidelines and restrictions today, which is going to start immediately after Christmas. And it's mainly because of the increase in cases and the concern about the overrun of our hospitals, and that is a big concern. So the new rule by the governor of the state is capacity limits at virtually all businesses, including restaurants, will be set at 25%. We're going to be down from 50 to 40 now to 25% in our places. Now that's not just restaurants, but that's the obvious one. This will include hair and nail salons and gyms and grocery stores and other office areas that are non-essential employees. So this is a big step, and I'm pleased that the governor is not going as far as shutting everything down at this point. This will keep the economy going, and this is all an effort to mitigate and stem the tide that we've been experiencing with the increase in cases statewide and certainly in Quincy as well. So we don't want to overrun the hospitals, and this is a program to help avoid that. And the governor is also going to be announcing the next couple of days some new programs for businesses to get businesses help. We know that they do need them. So I know that not everyone is happy with some of the decisions or recommendations that have come down by the state, but I got to tell you folks, there's no playbook for this. This is something that has been new since March to every level of government. The governor, I think, has been a true leader on this, so I certainly want to publicly support him. I don't agree with him on everything, and we certainly have discussions and exchange text messages, but we got to stay together on this as a Commonwealth, and I want to thank him and his team for their leadership. Our numbers today, a little better today, actually. New cases today was 37. The 2-week average, 53.1. The 1-week daily average is 49.4. Positivity rate is still just a little over 6%. So we're still in the red, but that 37 number is certainly a better number than what we've seen for the last few days. So with that, folks, stay tuned. I appreciate you tuning into this. We're trying to share as much information as we can. If you have any questions, feel free to call my office, 617-376-1990. In the meantime, stay well. God bless.